Hi ladies, just a quick tutorial on how to move around our HLLGA website. To access it, go into Google. Don't type it in the search bar though. Type it directly at the top where it wants a website address. It's HLLGA.CA. That's Hidden Lake Ladies Golf Association. I also suggest you make a bookmark if you know how. You'll be coming back to this often. We hit enter and there's our website. At the top you've got all different menus. First we're on our home page. Scrolling down, we've got a little bit about our league. We've got our membership form. You have access to open the membership form and print it. Whenever you see this hand with the finger pointing, that indicates you can click and it will take you somewhere. In this case, there's our membership form. You can print it as need be at the beginning of the year. And a few teacup pictures in there. A little bit about our golf course. A link to Hidden Lake. Scorecard for easy reference. And at the bottom, we have a Facebook link. This takes us to our private group, our Hidden Lake Ladies section. It is a private group. You'll have to be invited to join. From there, we have members only. When you see this down arrow, it means there are sub-pages underneath. We have weekly draw, winners, match play, wall of fame, photo albums, and chat room. On the members only page itself, it takes you to our sign up. This is a link to our sign up page. So to navigate on here, if you're outside this box and on a laptop like I am with a mouse and roll up and down, I see the page. When I'm on the inside of the box, I'm accessing the weekly sign-up sheet. At the bottom is the different tabs. You will have to open this workbook, however. It's a Google Sheet. You can do it a couple of different ways. There's a gray box up here. If you click on it, it will open it. And I've also made this nice big click box. Again, you can see the hand with the arrow pointing. You click on it, it opens the sheet in Google Sheets. At the bottom, you'll see the various tabs. There's our opening lunch. Click on the next available spot, type in your name, any dietary restrictions. And there'll be a tab for each month of the year. Find your name, click on the dates you'll be playing. If you've made a mistake, just click it again. Tick box will disappear. You can come back to this at any time to add or take away the tick box. It auto saves, so all you have to do is close it when you're done. Further down this page, we will always have the most current flight factors or your index. You should check this on the day of the play every Tuesday. Find out what flight you're in. Now remember, this is not your handicap. It's your index or factor. We'll come to that in a few moments. Next, under members only, we have the weekly draw. This is where the weekly draw will be posted as soon as it is issued. Again, you have a nice big click here box to access the weekly sign up. And here's a quick way back to the flight factor if you need to see that. That's weekly draw, our weekly winners. They'll be posted every week when they become available. On this website, whenever you see these green and gray dots, it means there is more. You hover over and it'll bring up these arrows. You can move sideways either way. There's September 14th, September 7th, August 31st. They're all the winners from last year. They'll be removed and we'll put in the new winners. Next we have match play. These are duplicates of the tables that will be in the basement on the bulletin board. Again, we have the dots indicating there is more. You can see the little gray arrows came up. Doubles, A-flight singles. So we'll post the winners in yellow. You can't add to this. It will be updated as the board changes downstairs. Please go down to the basement and write in the winners and move any consolation over to the consolation board. And down below we've got a little write-up about match play, how to play it. Next we have the Wall of Fame. That's all our trophies and our plaques that are on the board downstairs outside our locker room. Here's our last year's champions. Again, you'll see the gray dots. Scroll up a little. You can see the arrows. Go through the Judy and Lynn, Leslie, Sylvia, Carol, Lucy, and the winner Paula. Next we have a new one this year, photo albums. Please feel free to send me pictures and I can post them in here. We have pictures from our lunch. Look like a good time. Same pictures again of our champions. Looking forward to adding more. Also new this year, we have something called a chat room. We added this. We're hoping that if someone has an opening and wants to post, or perhaps something for sale, you're welcome to type a message in here. You can move up and down using the slider bar. You can see the conversation at the beginning. When I set this up, I asked Lynn and Leslie, Barb. Carol gave it a try. I think once you start typing here, it'll ask you to sign up for a little account for this chat and go. It just enables you to come back and it will have your name picture if you desire in there. I will monitor this and delete posts as they become old. Hopefully we can get some use out of that. Next you'll have whatever is the most current event that we have. In this case we have our opening lunch coming up. Our beautiful poster, all the information. Again, you click here. It'll take you to our sign up page so you can sign up. This one is a fun one, Rules of Golf. Put a video on there. It's a fun one. Again, we have a button. You can access the player's edition of the Rules of Golf. Opens the PDF. You can scroll through all 162 pages looking for the rule that you're trying to find. Again, outside of the box, if you scroll down on the inside, or the slider bar. Those are some of the newer rules. And this one's our bag tag. You can open it and print it. And it wouldn't be something I created if it didn't have a joke on it. Moving along, we've got Hidden Lake. Likely the first time you open this, you'll get an error page, an error message. It's nothing wrong with the website or your equipment. It's the Hidden Lake that has the problem. There will be a button that says Advanced, and it will suggest that you don't proceed, but it's fine to do so. It will take you to the Hidden Lake website. Once you go through that motion once, you should be able to go directly into here from the website after that. And we also have a Golf Canada quick link. It'll take you to your Golf Canada. Most of you are familiar with how this works. Your index is at the top. Under At a Glance, your home course. You can view all the course handicaps. So on the new course, the women's red, playing handicap 15. Old course, women's red, 17. So those are the handicaps. This is the index or the factor, and these are your handicaps. That's our website. Any questions, feel free to email or give me a call. Thank you.